relax, sit back and listen to a math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept of set operations in set theory. We are going to cover the topics set operations of union, intersection, set difference and symmetric difference of set. Okay, now let us learn. First, union and intersection. In union, you will combine all the elements of the respective given set. For example, A equal to B equal to. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 7, 9. Okay. Now we are finding A union B. A union B. In A union B, you will write all the elements in A and in B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. This is what A union B is. So, A union B means you will combine all the elements in that is both in A and B. Intersection. In intersection, you will write the elements common to both of those set. A equal to 5, 7, B equal to 7. Here, A equal to 5, 7 and B equal to 7. The element common to both of these set A and B are 7. Then A intersection B equal to 7. Intersection means writing the common element of the given respective set. Union means writing all the elements of the given respective set. Now, set difference or difference of two set. This is A difference B. This is B difference A. A difference B denotes the elements in A but not in B. B difference A denotes the elements in B but not in A. The given example is A equal to -3, -2, 1, 4 and B equal to 0, 1, 2, 4. First, we have to find the A difference B. Write this set A, -3, -2, 1, 4, difference B, 0, 1, 2, 4. The concept of A difference B is the element should be in A but not in B. Here -3 is in A but this -3 is not in B. So you will write here -3. Next, this -2 is in A but not in B. -2. This 1 is in A and also in B. So we won't write this one. This 4 is in A as well as in B. This 4 will be omitted. Our final answer for A difference B is -3, -2. Next, B difference A. B difference A. First write the set B 0, 1, 2, 4. 0, 1, 2, 4, difference A, -3, -2, 1, 4. This 0 is in B but not in A, so we can write here. Next, this 1 and 4 is in B as well as in A, so we will omit this 1 and 4. This 2 is in B but not in A, so we will write 2. Final answer will be 0, 2. First, 0, 2 is in B but not in A. The other numbers 1, 4 is both in A and B, so we will omit those numbers. The concept of set difference is A difference B means the elements which are in A but not in B. B difference A denotes the elements which are in B but not in A. Okay. Symmetric difference of set. symmetric difference of set equal to A difference B union B difference A. We already know the difference of two sets. Now we are finding the symmetric difference by using that A difference B and B difference A concept. So in symmetric difference, you will find union. You will combine the A difference B and B difference A, and that's what your symmetric difference is. In this example, A equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, B equal to 8, 10, 12. First find A difference B, next find B difference A. First write the set A, 6, 7, 8, 9, difference 8, 10, 12. Next write B difference A, 8, 10, 12, difference 6, 7, 8, 9. A difference B denotes the elements in A but not in B. Here 6, 7, 9 are in A but not in B. 6, 7, 9. B difference A denotes the elements in B but not in A. Here 10, 12 are in B but not in A. 10, 12. Next we will write the symmetric difference. This is what the symbol of symmetric difference. So A symmetric difference B equal to A difference B union B difference A. A difference B is 6, 7, 9 union B difference A is 10, 12. We already know that union means you will combine all the elements and write. Here 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. Asymmetric difference is 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. So the formula or the definition of symmetric difference of two sets is, first you have to find the difference of those sets and finally you have to combine those sets. For example, A and B are given set means asymmetric difference B is A difference B, B difference A, and a combination of those A difference B and B difference A. Thank you for watching. For more videos related to both school and college maths, kindly subscribe to our channel Curious Maths. Kindly like, share, comment your doubts and